Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over the press release by ZNOG, ticker symbol ZNOG, on October 6, 2023. And so ZNOG receives regulatory approval for strategic recompletion of the project in Israel. ZNOG targets early 2024 to move forward with the MJ01 recompletion operations. They announced that they have the approval of its work plan of the Ministry of Energy for MJ01 recompletion. Israel is open for business, and we are grateful for the Israeli government's green light on our work plan, allowing us to move ahead with the MJ01 recompletion project. Rob Dunn, CEO of ZNOG, said, "This is an exciting time for Zion as we implement cutting-edge technologies and stimulation methods to potentially unlock previous and new identified zones of interest." Amidst the war in Israel following the atrocities on October 7th, Zion has maintained secure operations with the site and rig unharmed. The company now targets the Q1 start date post-holidays. Zion has secured service contractors and ancillary items required for the efficient operations. The work plan approval follows the acquisition of the exploration license 434 on September 19th. This Megiddo Valley's license spans approximately 75,000 acres and signifies a deep commitment to Israel's energy landscape. Our journey continues with an unwavering faith in God and the ongoing support of our shareholders, said John Brown, Zion founder and chairman. "We appreciate all the support so many have joined up on this journey of faith for Israel's oil and gas." Zion Oil and Gas, a U.S. publicly traded company on the OTCQX Best Market, explores for oil and gas onshore in Israel. They currently have a unit program with warrants until December 31st, inviting supporters to be part of Israel's promised energy future. Investments can be made directly on Zion Oil and Gas's website through the direct stock purchase program. You can also buy it on Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and maybe a couple of other sites as well. So this is a very positive sign for Zion Oil and Gas. I was I didn't think we were going to hear anything about their project as far as plans go until Q1 of next year because of the state of Israel, the war and everything. So I was super surprised whenever they released this. So awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the chart, see how the market reacted to it, and go from there. All right, guys, so taking a look at the charts on Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. So we're still at about 4.5 cents on our overall floor of the fib level. And we did break through and got all the way up to roughly about 7 cents off of the news, and then fell back down and settled right at about 0.0659 and some change. So your first level of resistance is basically right around where we are now. So if we can get above that and hold support, that would show potential that we could continue and start moving our way back up higher. Your next level of resistance would be 8 cents. Then from there, 9 cents and some change. And then, of course, about 12 cents and all the way up to 14. So it'd be kind of nice to see it start gradually moving up this month of December in anticipation for it. Will it do that? I'm not so sure because, I think investors have seen this before of, hey, we're going to start this. So, I think the anticipation side of it and the big run-up on anticipation, not so sure that's going to be the case this go around, but we'll have to wait and see. Overall, on the MACD, we still are in a bullish pattern. We were about to cross over to a bearish pattern, so it was really a good time to release the press release because the momentum of the stock was kind of dying down as far as in this time frame. And the RSI, we are pretty close to overvalued. So even if we pop up to like 7.5 cents, it'll probably fall back down and retest this level here, which would be a big test for it to hold or break in order for us to confirm to see if it's going to move higher or fall over. So that's all I got for you in this one, guys. Let me know your comments below on the press release. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.